So welcome to the woodland. You can probably see a little robin sitting there on the fence. I'm just sitting here really quietly listening to the bird song. So if you can dress up really warmly and go and sit in your garden, or just open the window or go in the park and just sit and listen to the bird song. And like we do at forest school, just point to where you think the bird song is coming from, or count how many different songs you think you can hear. I can hear some birds in our woodland here and some that are further away. There's our little robin again. While you're listening to the birds, just see whether you can identify any of them. So these are the most common ones that you might see. So there's a blackbird, which has a yellow beak and is a medium-sized bird. And you're very likely to see a magpie, so a black and white, fairly large bird. And then you've got crows. You've got two different types of crow there. You're most likely to see the top one, the carrion crow. They are from the same family as the magpie. And the jay is from that family as well, but you're less likely to see a jay. Here we've got a little robin. So that's quite a small bird with its red breast that distinguishes it. And finally, we've got a wood pigeon, which is, they can be very big, these birds. So I'd say the wood pigeon is the largest of these 5 birds. So see if you can spot any of these birds. And I'll put a link, ask your teachers to send you a link with these pictures of these birds. You can print that out and go bird spotting. Have fun, enjoy being outside, and I'll see you soon.